Yes, I know something is wrong. I was expected to release the origin of computer science, but it is such a broad topic that doing it required proper research and I could not risk being factually incorrect in something I love to the core. So, I am putting that topic on hold for some time, and after this, I will be starting a new series most probably. I am not sure when that will come, but surely it will. You will find that in the playlist section or in a folder combined with this and the previous one as well. I'm sorry for the same. Let's begin. Hello people of the earth. I hope you all are doing great and are safe. Today's topic is such a long and comprehensive one that covering it all is not humanly possible. So I'll be covering just a brief of it, and the rest I leave it up to you to research by yourself and get addicted to reading long lengths of texts. Computer science, something deeply related to science and technology that one can seldom think about its usage in other fields, leave alone in fields that are no way related to non-medical or science in general. And by this, I mean medical fields and fields related to commerce, accounting, finance, including others. Many types of diagnostic equipment now include computer functionality. Major uses of computers in medicine include hospital information systems, data analysis in medicine, medical imaging laboratory computing, computer-aided medical decision-making, care of critically ill patients, computer-assisted therapy, and so on. Combining accounting and computer science as a major helps you to increase your analytical skill and problem-solving talents by combining two fields. The bulk of accounting and computer science programs are designed to teach students about financial performance, data recording and analysis, and information interpretation. We forecast human behavior, we forecast climates, seasons, ocean currents, and so on. Computer science is scaling, and scaling very quickly at that. The use of computer science to prediction has the potential to have a massive influence of the world. We can anticipate everything from an impending tsunami to a pathogen's breakout pattern using these techniques. As a result, computer scientists are responsible for some of the most life-saving research in the world. Computer science is even utilized to predict the path of dangerous comets approaching our planet. E-learning platforms and software have transformed the academic world by providing students with new problem-solving and study tools. The ability to attend lessons online is also a significant advantage to the world, as it allows students who would otherwise be unable to obtain an education due to their location, skills, or money to do so. The capacity of computer science to advance and enhance any other topic is one of the most intriguing elements of the field. Data science and artificial intelligence are subcategories of computer science that enable people and companies to speed up and pre-package cognition. Computer science and artificial intelligence in this respect can significantly advance any other discipline. But we will not be discussing more about AI and data science in this video because they are my future topics, and as much as I love science, I want views and I need content. It is clear that every aspect of our lives, be it education, healthcare, finance, disaster management, is affected by and uses computer science. And that was all for today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time around. Till then, keep learning.